Hey Team Creative, welcome back guys. We are doing a hotel install today. The quick uh, insert there you saw was me entering into the hotel. I had to cut some of that out because there were people in the halls and I didn't want to invade their privacy, and it wasn't really that important anyway. My hubby came with me today. We are doing a install for a birthday celebration, and it is for a boy. So his mom wanted something kind of masculine. I think she's gonna have a celebration with a few kids. So this is the backdrop that I chose for him. It was a last minute client that called, so I didn't have a lot of options as far as backdrops and personalization. This came from Amazon and it was relatively inexpensive. So I will try to drop that link in the description box for you guys. It was definitely under $30 for the backdrop. She wanted to stay on a budget, do something simple and quick, and it was for a boy, so she didn't want anything over the top. So here you see my husband and I trying to figure out where we were going to place this. We did not want to remove any of the decor from the hotel, so we simply placed it over the picture. And you see me with painter's tape to make sure that I am not going to damage their walls. Forgive me guys, I was about to break my neck at this point. So I had to be careful because I was standing on the arm of this sofa. But anyway, we're marking here to see where we're gonna put it and just to make sure that it hangs straight across. Now in doing this I use painter's tape and command hooks. It works pretty well guys, and I'll actually insert a clip. I'm going to go ahead and say that now because I'm actually going to play some music, but you're going to see where I zoom in to show you the command hook on the painter's tape. I actually put painter's tape up, command hook, and then painter's tape again across the top to try to secure it to the wall. There was a time when one of the corners came down and I had to reapply it. It's better if you have a lot of time to allow the command hook to really sit before you start putting any weight on it. However, this was a quick install. We were in and out in an hour. So just continue watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. This is a great idea for any celebration for girls or boys. Easy way to add some decor without actually damaging anything in a hotel setting. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and join the creative team. We would love to have you. And until the next video, guys, be blessed. I'm going to play music for you guys and just let you see the final results. Have a blessed day.